Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing Stanley's Christmas Ornament Keychain. Yes, you heard it right, Stanley has started to make accessories. Now, I picked these up because I genuinely thought that they were really cute. They come in a red, kind of like a shiny, glittery, iridescent red, as well as a shiny, glittery, iridescent gold. Now, they do look exactly like a Stanley, and they even function a little bit the same. Now, they are multi-purpose. You can use them as an ornament, keychain, or a charm, like a bag charm as seen in the thumbnail photo. And they have hidden fun. The lid is removable just like a normal Stanley, and you can hide something in there. So whether you're using it as a Christmas ornament and want to hide like a little note in there, or as a bag charm and want to hide, something that you carry around, maybe it's some accessories, some bobby pins, some Advil, what have you, you can definitely do that with these. Now, they are also used for decor. So this Stanley packaging says, display these year-round to show off your Stanley love. Now, I have zero doubts that some Stanley lovers would keep these around year-round, although they are positioned as a Christmas ornament or a Christmas decoration. I will be so interested to see if we start seeing these on the streets year-round. Now, I will admit that I liked these more than I thought that I would. They are larger than I imagined from the picture, just because the scale I feel like made them feel like they were a little smaller. The top of the Stanley, where the straw is, looks like it wants to move, but I don't think it does. So just keep that in mind. I did the experiment for you. It comes with a keychain and a matching ribbon, so you can hang it or attach it however you want. And that's kind of all there is to it. Let me know in the comments below if you like these, if you have one, or if you're gonna pick one up, and most importantly, how you're gonna use it. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.